Hey there, folks. Got a website but no mobile app? Stuck in the stone age of desktop only? Well, let's change that right now. Click the link in the description below and grab your lifetime AppMySite deal today. So, what's AppMySite all about? It's a no-code mobile app builder that transforms your website into a native mobile app. No coding, no fuss, just drag, drop, and boom! Your app's ready for both Android and iOS. Perfect for small business owners, bloggers, and e-commerce whizzes who want to go mobile without the hassle. Imagine this. You've got a cracking website, but you're lost in the mobile wilderness. Fear not, my friend. AppMySite's here to rescue you. In minutes, not months, you'll have a slick mobile app ready to conquer the app stores. Now let's talk features. AppMySite offers customizable templates, real-time previews, push notifications, and monetization options. Plus, it supports publishing on Google Play and the Apple App Store. This means you're not just building an app, you're building a business. And the best part, there's a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Yep, pay once and get lifetime access. Say goodbye to those pesky monthly subscriptions, but what about the competition, you ask? Sure, there are other no-code app builders like Adalo, Glide, and BuildFire. But AppMySite stands out with its simplicity and affordability, especially for those looking to convert websites into apps. Now, I know what you might be thinking, is it really that easy? Well, guess what? It is. You don't need to be a tech wizard. If you can build a website, you can build an app with AppMySite, and just in case you hit a snag, their customer support's got your back. Email, chat, help center, they've got all bases covered, so why wait? Click the link in the description below and start building your app today. Unlock your mobile potential and boost your business. With AppMySite, going mobile has never been easier. Thanks for watching, folks. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. And don't forget to grab your lifetime AppMySite deal. See you in the next video.